Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be updating you on what's coming for Chanel 22P, which is Chanel Spring Summer Act 1. Now I am really late to film this video, so pretty much all the reserve lists are already open in the US. I think that in Australia you probably still have some time to try and get in and reserve anything, because we usually get ours a little bit later, but the US launch is about the 15th of January and then Australia is towards the end of the month. Sorry, you can probably hear my kids. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run through this video pretty quickly, and then if there's anything that I feel that I should let you guys know, I'm just going to put it on the screen in like pictures and that sort of thing. But before I dive into today's video, if you are new to my channel and you love all things luxury, if you love handbags and fashion and all that jazz, and you aren't already subscribed, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I upload every weekend and then I try to have a midweek upload as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to tackle this video, because like I said, I am pretty late to film this. I'd like to try and get ahead and let you guys know like a couple weeks before launch, but I've just been so busy over like the holiday period, over Christmas and New Year's, enjoying the weather, enjoying the beach. I've gone to the beach a lot, like almost every day. So I have fallen behind, so do forgive me, but hopefully this video is still gonna be helpful for you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run through what is coming in terms of the classics, and I've had a friend reach out to me and kind of help me out to really tackle this quite quickly, and she is a Shop Luxe with Moi. She is a personal shopper in the US. I will leave her Instagram handle on the screen and I'll leave her Instagram down below in the description bar. So yeah, she really helped me out. Like, she knows that I do these videos. She watches my channel. So hi, thank you so much. And she sent me a list of everything that's coming in terms of classics. Pretty much, yeah, in terms of classics, she's told me all the colors that are going to come and that kind of thing. So that way I can just pop pictures on the screen and go bang, 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 bang. This is what's coming. And you can listen out for whatever size you were looking for, that kind of thing. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Chanel 19, and we're just going to do the small size because that's the most popular one. For this season, 22P, there's going to be white, black, beige. Those are all the classic colors anyway, so they pretty much always have those. Light pink, blue, yellow, purple, red, white multicolor, pink iridescent, blue denim, so there's going to be a denim Chanel 19, dark blue denim, black on black, so perhaps like a so black sort of Chanel 19, and light purple iridescent. A lot of like kind of multicolors in this purple iridescent. So it's a purple, but it's got a lot of shifting to it. Like it's got a bit of a blue in there, that kind of thing, a bit of different tones in the purple. So absolutely beautiful purple iridescent if you really love those real true like mermaidy sort of colors. The next one, the mini rectangle, all in lambskin, by the way, or like it'll be lambskin. It won't be caviar. There might be calf skin, but I think it's only lambskin. So yeah, silver, gold, black, yellow, purple, and green. I am really looking forward to the purple. I'm loving the purple from this season. Let's move on to the top handle, because I feel like that's kind of like, you know, suitable and that sort of thing. So for the top handle, which is pretty much the mini rectangular with the top handle on top, black, light pink, yellow, red, dark blue, light pink with light green. So that's kind of like a cloudy sort of look. Blue with green, again a cloudy look, and then black with the charm on it, bag charm that's like attached I think to the strap or something like that. The small classic flap is going to be in purple, light pink, and dark blue. I believe that those are all going to be in caviar, but then they might also do lambskin as well, because they do that. Like I know with 21K they had the purple in caviar and in lambskin. So yeah, for the medium classic flap, it's going to be in silver, gold, dark blue, green, white, blue. Okay, so Coco handles. The small Coco handle is going to be in white, black, light pink, blue, yellow, purple, red, dark blue, light pink iridescent. And then the medium Coco handle will be in white, black, and dark blue, and the large Coco handle in black and blue. Yeah, let's move on to the kind of other bags, I suppose, because they're going to do some seasonals, and I can see if there's any like SLGs that you might want to keep an eye on. Okay, so they are going to be doing the vanity top handle. Gosh, I love this bag. This is the one that I probably will want to try and get. I think that I could see myself trying to get one of these vanity bags. I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. I love them. All right, so they're doing the vanity top handle in black, red, pink, and a light blue as well. It's different blue than what they did in 21K. It's a little bit deeper than that blue. Then they've also got some vanities as well without the top handles, but they're gonna have like CCs on the chain. And this I'm also very, very interested in. I think, yep, by the looks of it, that will be in caviar. So the top handles that I just said for the vanity, they are only going to be in lambskin. However, the vanity without the top handle with these little CCs on the chain are going to be in caviar. Price point might still be the same as like the top handle one though. I don't know, because these are technically not classic items. I do know that the vanity without the top handle is $3,570 Australian in caviar, because they did have it for 22C, but I'm not sure if that little CC on the chain is going to up the price, because that usually does when they add extra details. They like to increase the price. So for woks, it looks like they're going to be doing the wok in that beautiful baby blue, also in the red, in the silver. There's also going to be another like kind of wallet on chain looking. It looks like it's a wallet on chain kind of bag. It's not a classic bag, so it kind of gives you a bit of like a Chanel 19 vibes, like the Chanel 19 wallet on chain, which they will have as well in pretty much all those colors that I sort of said, like the pink, the red, the blue, the purple, that sort of thing. But they're doing one in like a beautiful pinky tweed. So if you like tweed, or you want to try tweed and you don't want to break the budget for something that's like a fabric bag and you're a little bit worried, but you want to add a tweed piece to your collection, maybe something like this in like more of a wallet on chain style could be kind of like, you know, that all round, like it's kind of an item to just round out your collection, that sort of thing. Also in that same sort of style of bag, which has the, like I just shown you on the screen, they're going to have actual mini flap version. It kind of looks like a bit of a square flap, and it seems as though it's going to have like a lacquered buckle that's going to be the same similar tone to that of the bag. So it's not like a monotone. It's just got a lacquered color, but it's still going to be with gold hardware. And then the straps are going to have the CCs on the end. This might actually be an adjustable bag because it kind of has a little bit of that aesthetic that it could possibly be. However, it's not in caviar, so that always brings down it. Like whenever it comes to like bags that might be really great, amazing, if they're not in caviar, that always you know, minuses points in terms of like what people see as like a hot bag. And then they're going to have like a camera bag, which is going to be in caviar with a similar sort of chain strap that I think that they had maybe like back in 21A or something like that. A business affinity backpack will be returning as well. Now, the other thing I forgot to say is that the Coco handle is going up. It looks like it's going to have a 10% increase, and so is the Chanel boy bag. I'm not sure on the percent of the Chanel boy bag, but it is going to be having an increase, as well as the business affinity with the top handle. Those three bags have been confirmed to have an increase. The mini flaps, the Chanel 19, I haven't heard of them having an increase or anything else. So yeah, Coco handle, boy bag, and business affinity with top handle. Bear in mind the prices are going to be more for this coming 22p, so brace yourself, because you might be in a bit of a shock if you're planning on getting a Coco handle and then you realize it's gone up bloody 10%. So they're going to be doing some boy bags with top handles on them and chain around, which are usually pretty popular when they do the chain around version on the boy bag. Some of the denim classic flaps, like I was saying, they are doing denim, a different take on denim than what they did for 22C. It's actually going to have an imprint on it, so it's going to say Chanel on it and some like emblems and that sort of thing. I think it's really cool. I much prefer this denim than I did the 22C denim. They're going to have a cute bucket bag in that same kind of pink tweed that I was talking about before. So if you like bucket bags, you might want to look out for that, as well as a option in the denim option, but it looks like it's kind of got shearling around it or something, so that's a bit strange. Looks like they're going to have like a satin sort of like style duffel bag, but it looks like it's in like a satin. No, it's definitely a fabric. Kind of looks like a bit of a briefcase kind of vibe. Now, my picks for the season are definitely going to be that purple. Purples are usually pretty darn hot when it comes to Chanel. So I think that they are going to be very, very popular. Definitely the vanity bags, the rectangular vanity bags, they're always pretty sought after as well. Even though they keep increasing in price, everybody loves them. I mean, I love them. And then I also feel like, you know, the pink is going to be darn hot this season. So if you're looking to get that pink, you know, if you don't want to get it in a classic flap, I don't blame you because I don't like the pricing of the classic flaps. It looks like they're going to do it in some SLGs as well, like the vanity, also the wallet on chain. It seems like they're going to do a wallet on chain with pearl on it too, and some of the belt bags as well with pearls and the same kind of chains that you are seeing in this collection with the CCs hanging off the end. So there's definitely like a consistency. When they've got like these sort of different straps and chains going on, they usually transfer that over to the SLGs as well. So you see it on bags, but then they'll like seasonal bags, but then they'll bring that over to the SLGs. So if you don't want to pull the trigger on like a seasonal bag, something that's not exactly a classic, but you want like a particular color, or you want to see the, like you want those straps, you want those chains, you want the pearls, whatever it may be, then have a look at the SLGs, because I feel like that's really where you can kind of dip your toes in and get that, like get that look that you're kind of wanting, or have that collector piece without paying like the really high price tag of like, you know, a seasonal bag being like over $6,000 Australian, that sort of thing. I think that's pretty much about it. That's pretty much all I wanted to sort of cover. Like I said, this was going to be a quicker video anyway. Hopefully this video was helpful. I know it was quicker than usual. Like I said, my pick is definitely the pink and the purple of the season. I don't know if I'm going to be like trying to reserve anything. I think the only thing I'm going to try is maybe the vanity. Hopefully this was useful and informative, and I will sign off, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.